Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be covering my Steam guide for how to set up an FMOD project and get a sound into the game. Hopefully you'll be helpful to someone. I'll be assuming you already understand the basics of fort modding, so just be aware. Okay, first thing is to find out what version of FMOD to install. We want to go to the game's files here, right click on FMOD Studio DLL, Properties, go to Details, and Product version 2.2.9. Okay, now you want to open up the fmod.com. You want to make an account. I already have an account, so I'll just go to Downloads here. Well, I'm already on it, and select 2.2. Any of the minor versions here will be fine, so just pick the newest one and download for your operating system. I just installed it, so I'm not going to wait for the download. We'll go here and install. Okay. Next. Agree. Maybe I'll just close the old one. I'm not going to reboot. So just install. Finish. Now you want to download the FMOD template project. I'll go to the Fort's Discord, go to the modding channel here, and we want to go to the FMOD thread. Go to pin messages, and in here will be this FMOD template. Download that. Okay, now you want to open your downloads folder and extract. I'll just extract. For this video, I will rename it to just, I don't know, test video tutorial. And I'll rename, no, video tutorial. Obviously rename this to whatever you want. Now I want FMOD Studio. I just installed that one. Yeah. Okay. Now I want to open the project that we're here. Not Birdie's Guns, video tutorial, or whatever you named it. Okay, now you should have something that looks like this. So, you should probably rename this to, I don't know, I'll just do video tutorial again. And these are your template effects. Try not to edit them. We'll use those later. But you want to create a new master bank. And again, video tutorial. Mark it as master bank. Now, to create a new sound event, you want to right click and duplicate on one of these templates. Rename to, I don't know, test event. I'll just delete the sound that's in here, and to import your sound files, just go here. I'll just, I don't know, poop.wave. To find all your sounds, go to this asset tab, and now I want to drag this into the timeline. Make sure it's actually at the beginning. Now you should probably click this button and make sure that this is compressed, unless you know why it shouldn't be compressed. It'll just make the file size smaller. Okay, now you can have a working effect. You can pan this around like you're in game. Poop, 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 poop. Okay, now you want to add this event to the master bank that we just made here. You'll see that like that. Now save and build. All right, now you want to go back to where your FMOD project files are, and let's open build, data, copy these two files in here. Now we want to go to your mod. I don't know what your mod looks like, but this is just my test mod. You want to make an audio folder in your mod, and then just paste this junk, paste these banks into there. Okay. Now, that's it. If you want to use it in your effect, I'll just be, replacing the Canon firing effect as a test. You want to use sound event, and then you enter your path in the quotations. The path will be mods, video tutorial effects, test event, or whatever you named it. And you can also just click copy path and just paste it in there. Remove this part here, event slash, and save. Okay, that's it. Let's see if it works in game. And it works. Thanks for watching.